ladau de briu pai baru dan hok ban penbor yau no briu ban but yano lane ban kersan yano hanre kane kadai ka hok balai lui namar bah ka jing thep but he ultimately ka ka ba ule ubriu hapo jang kato ka puling but utip hitang mau dan mana bala bentip ngasai ong kawe ka kenten ladang ithet yau khulam ngalala banra yu ngalara lala an pedan kami ngalala ban ai yano hanre hakavut kasyong hakamon jongre lada phi ong kumba ong kenten sak pembam bisa mano subu master A master B uang ayanga laai hanre kabut ju phim la ban ra ban penan kam da mangaru ngam la penan kam hap penan kam hima bat kumno penan kam ru ngam yo utip hitam mau te karena ka sistem hapo ka India ka bal enshrine nga iba kalong ka protect kayada ya unono briu ba unla ban exercise ya ka full authority katkum ka jingsngew ko jing of this by election will be conducted in a peaceful manner where every citizen, every voters of this country have the full right to exercise their right to vote according to their own conscience.